Speaking of being down, Broadcom seems to confirm their own chip delay, which therefore appears to mean that this iPhone, again, on a negative side for the stock market, that this iPhone 12 is going to take a little more time than it normally would. We would normally be ramping up for this thing in September, and everybody's saying, no, it's going to be October, delays. And some of it's speculation, exclusively speculation. Other stuff is pretty direct and to the point. Broadcom CEO Hock Tan discussed a major product cycle delay at a large North American mobile phone company. I mean, is that even speculation? Who's the large? Come on. Also, Broadcom earns 1/5 of its entire revenue from supplying Apple. So is that even, that's not even speculation at that point. You're just saying it straight up. We don't have many North American smartphone companies. Stop it. Representing a big volume for your company. I don't even know. Who is Motorola considered? Who are we talking about, Will?
Google?
Google? No. Okay. No, it's Apple. Stop it. In 2019, Broadcom earned 1/5 of its revenue from supplying Apple. The confirmation of significant late 2020 shipments for this company indicates that the iPhone 12 is highly unlikely to arrive this month, pointing towards October for the launch of the iPhone 12 lineup, Apple Watch Series 6, and the long-rumored AirTags. This coming via Mac rumors. It's going to be a late iPhone this year, Willie do. And what is the effect or impact of that going to be? I don't know. Maybe it's okay because people need some time to recover from the current status anyways, and they're holding on to their cash, and then come October, they're like, hey, Christmas is coming. I'm ready to go. But Apple has been on that. They've really targeted that back to school, that September type of thing, and it's obviously worked well. So this could be a problem going later into October. And then if they can't meet the demand and people are waiting around, people ready to wait potentially for the deliveries into November? It's just not, you know how that goes.
Yeah.
The later you get, the weather starts to turn out there. I mean, that's what the whole Christmas enterprise is about. Trying to be a shot in the arm for consumption at a time of year where everybody's taking a nap.
Yeah. So you think it's going to be October?
Yeah, I mean, that's the word right now. October, at least, to get things started. There's a rumor that some of the models may be a little more difficult or delayed, and then maybe you see some models come out earlier and others potentially 2 weeks after that.
Right.
It's quite possible, but it seems, I mean, listen, Broadcom comes out and says specifically, let's see what they say. They say Broadcom has confirmed that a ramp up of its chip shipments for what analysts believe to be the iPhone 12 will run into the final quarter of 2020. Final quarter. That's late. And so if they're supplying the iPhone, then the iPhone itself has to be later than that.
Right.
Because that stuff has to go in. So if they're upping production into that final quarter, you presume that the glut of the volume has to take place in the final quarter as well. So